Record. Hey guys, Becca here. Right. It's gonna be complex to say. Right. Basically, I'm gonna be doing a reaction video, which I don't normally do, but there's gonna be two videos of it, which is gonna be different. The first video, they're gonna be uploaded both today, well, tonight, should I say. But one video is going to be hearing my voice, which you can hear now, and the video. And the second one's going to be seeing my reaction of the video. So, and as you can tell by my nervous ways and dark room, we are going to be watching a, sorry, got cold. We are going to be watching it's called the Top 5 Scary Ghost Videos Caught on Tape. So, without further ado, let's begin. Now, I'm not sure if you can hear. Let me pause it. Straight into it. Right. Oh, sorry about the darkness. Now, I'm not sure if you can hear the video on this recording. I haven't tested that yet, but hopefully you will. So, yeah, without further ado, let's begin and get back into it. See if I can. Oh, I can turn it. Now that's a load of balderdash. That's actually been proven wrong. That's actually been proven wrong by the Paranormal Files, Fact or Fiction. Well, Fact or Fake it's called. God. Oh my god, the light actually flickers. I almost missed that then. Fuck working in that hotel if it's haunted. See, looking at this camera, I feel like I'm in the fucking film Unfriended. God, that's nuts. That's insane. Like, whether it's fake or not, that's still pretty cool though, if it's real. God. Didn't see anything move. She fell over. Fucking hell. The fuck? Like, I don't know if these are real or not, don't get me wrong. But it's scary at the fact to think that spirits can do this. And sorry about the camera again. But it's scary to think that spirits can do this. Fucking hell, that was freaky legit as fuck. Right, let's go back. Oh, that's my hamster. I just wonder what the fuck that noise was then. Let's try this one. But I have to admit though, a couple of those videos in the first one did look legit fake. So, you know, that's why I didn't. Shh. No, but you know, that's why that's why I didn't have much of a reaction, because half of them looked like, about 3 of them looked fake to me. So, yeah, that's why I didn't have much of a reaction. Anyway, get into this one. Hopefully we'll have a better reaction. I swear I keep hearing something behind me. I swear, legit, I keep hearing shit. Right, okay, what we're gonna do is we'll go watch, instead of watching ghost stuff, we'll watch scary pop-up stuff. Whew! Sorry. Right, scary pop. Scary pop-ups. I'm gonna regret this to high fucking heaven. Right. I'm tempted to do this one right here, but I don't know. I'm kind of regretting this. You know what? Fuck it. Let's do this one. Let's turn my volume down a bit. Is this a haunted house or some shit? I'm gonna legit shit myself. Fuck. I fucking shit myself. Fucking hell. I proper shit myself. Oh, fuck. That was a brilliant pop-up. That was brilliant. Oh, I shit myself. I mean, come on, you've got to get a reaction in someone. And trust me, just watching ghost videos isn't going to get a reaction much, so... Because I'm used to seeing ghosts, so... Turn. Thank you. Oh, I'm not going to like this one, am I? I'm going to proper legit shit myself. Fuck. Fuck. That proper made me shit myself. Oh, it's made by the same person. Oh my god. All these pop-ups are making me shit myself. Let's watch this one. This is the last one we're going to be watching because my heart can't take this. Oh, I proper shit myself. Right, let's turn it up. fucking hearing something. Police is behind me. This is legit fake, you can tell it. It's really good acting though, I have to admit that. It's really good acting. It was really good acting. I have to admit that. Okay, we'll watch one more pop-up video. Which one should we watch? We'll watch the funny cat picture one. Let's have a look. Oh, turn it down, fuck. Turn it down. Christ. Don't want to give my fucking self earache. Right. Didn't hear anything.